Hello, welcome to Tech Friends IT. I'm Eswar. This is part 1 of SQL Server installation. In this session, we will understand how to download SQL Server from web browser and how to install in SQL Server Windows 10. Here we will discuss step by step install SQL Server 2016 SSMS on SSDT tools. These are the steps we are going to discuss in installation of SQL Server 2016 SSMS and SSDT tools. But in this session, in step 1 for installation, we will discuss only step 1 and 2. Those are system requirements. What are the requirements we need to install SQL Server? What is the hardware requirements? What are the software requirements we need to install SQL Server 2016? And step 2, how to download SQL Server from web browser. These two we will discuss in this session. We will discuss step 3, 4, 5 in later sessions. And coming to step 1, system requirements. There are several hardware and software requirements that should be taken into consideration before installing SQL Server 2016. The first one is 64-bit processor with at least 1.4 GHz clock speed. Although 32-bit processors are not supported by the SQL Server 2016. And second one, at least 512 MB of system memory is required, but be aware that some of the features require much more than 512 MB. As for the hard disk, at least 6 GB of free space required, and it is heavily depends on additional features that could be installed in our system. And fourth one, FAT32 file system is supported to install SQL Server 2016, but we will recommend NTFS formatted drivers instead of FAT32 because this is NTFS is more secure than FAT32. And fifth one is setup cannot be performed on read-only or mapped or compressed drives. And last one is installing SQL Server 2016 on domain controllers is not recommended. It is not secureable. See in this table we have components and what are the requirements, what is the minimum requirement, what is the recommended requirement. Coming to processor speed, minimum 1.4 GHz on 64 processor, recommended is 2 GHz or faster. And system memory 512 is the minimum and recommended is 1024 MB. Hard disk space minimum required 6 GB, recommended 8 GB or more. And coming to OS, Windows 8, Windows Server 2012 is minimum, recommended is Windows 8 or later versions. These three are the systems that are currently supported for SQL Server 2016 installation. Windows 8 and 8.1 64-bit editions, and second one Windows 10 all 64-bit editions, On third one, Windows Server 2012 and 2012 R2. Coming to older systems, that is Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 are not supported by SQL Server 2016. We have 4 ways to install SQL Server 2016. In these 4, the easiest way is installation wizard. Other than installation wizard, we have command prompt installation and configuration file or syspref. You can install using any these 4 installations. That is not a matter. You need to download from Microsoft. You need to download files from Microsoft website. And in order to get download link, either create new Microsoft account or sign in with the existing one. If you have a account in Microsoft, you can log in with that account and download the software, or you can create a new account in Microsoft and download file. At the time of download, choose the below file types, that are ISO, CAB or Azure files. Here I have used the ISO file type. And going to step 2, download SQL Server from web browser. Go through below link to download SQL Server 2016. You need to create Microsoft account. Click on below link, or if you have already account, click on above link to download SQL Server 2016. Click on this. I will provide all these links in video description. Wait 5 minutes. It will redirect to Microsoft website. First click on this. Click on register to continue and give your name, first name, last name. If you are working, give company name, work email ID, can give work phone number, and give country name. If you need related, if you need to get emails from Microsoft, click on yes, otherwise leave it. Click continue. I have already downloaded that file, so I am going to show the screenshot for this. Once fill the above details, click on continue button. File will download SQL Server 2016. This file will download. Once download done, Once download done, right click on SQL Server 2016 SSE evolution version file. This is the application file. Right click on this, click on run as administrator, click yes. So sorry, already one application is running. Yeah, I will close this. Right click on the application file, click on run as administrator, yes. See, once click on that, you will get SQL Server 2016 with a service pack 1 evolution version. You can select download media. You need file, right? So click on download media. Here select language which you want. Default it is English only. Which package would you like to download? You can select either ISO or CAB file types. In this scenario I am using ISO file. Once click and browse the location where you need to download that file. So I am going to downloads and SQL Server 2016. Okay, once browse the path, click on download. Yeah, it is running. It will take time to download the file. It will take some time. Once done the download, you will get this screen. Click close. See, file is downloaded. This is disk image file. You need to extract this file. Right click on this and extract files. Yeah, so I didn't run entire thing. If you run, you will get a full thing. I will show you. Yeah, I have one of this. SQL Server 2016. Copy this one or right click on here and extract files. Click extract files. It will ask path here only. Or create new folder on it. I will select this only, this one. Under this I will create one new folder, SQL Server 2016. Click OK. It will extract all files in the disk image file. Once done the extraction of files, you will get all these files. So SQL Server 2016 is downloaded successfully. We will discuss that's it for today, guys. We will discuss how to install SQL Server in Windows 2010 in next session. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you, guys.